Nick joining us now. So a warmer weather pattern out there, right?
Yeah, we're in November. We should be in the low 70s.
Yeah.
We're heading for the mid 80s.
Oh, okay.
And every day of the next 7 looks to be in the 80s too. So warm weather continues here even as we tick slowly closer to Thanksgiving. High pressure centered southwest of us. This is going to gradually be shifting eastward as we head through the end of the week. The result is plenty of sun, but also gradually rising temperatures. At the same time, we're keeping an eye on this low diving south into California. However, we had some rain chances at one point for our weekend forecast. Those rain chances are now close to zero because this area of low pressure, this trough, is actually going to push off to the northeast and not east, not close enough to bring us rain here in central Texas. So we stay dry through the weekend. We've got tiny rain chances Monday and Tuesday of next week, though. Higher rain chances look to come as we get into Wednesday, thanks to a second low heading into California. This one's going to be closer to us as we head through Wednesday, likely bringing us some rain. Right now, our rain chances are at 30%. There could even be another storm after that. So signs of a wetter pattern to come, but not until really the middle of next week. In the meantime, we've got clear skies. Much of the night will be clear, but some patches of low clouds possible tomorrow morning. We didn't have many, if any, this morning. I think each day we'll notice a little uptick in the morning cloud cover as our humidity goes up. They will be very brief, though, otherwise followed by a lot of sun, just a few afternoon clouds. Then we go into your Friday morning, a little bit more in the way of some of those low clouds, and then back to mostly sunny skies again. And then as we get into Saturday morning, a little bit more in the way of some of those low clouds before back to sunshine again. You get the general idea, only a subtle increase in those morning low clouds. So when does the rain get here? Well, again, looking dry now this weekend. Tiny rain chance Monday at 10%, same for Tuesday, but it does look like as we get into Wednesday, more optimistic now for wet weather, and this could be the start of a wet pattern that lasts, not just for one day. So 84 tomorrow, mostly sunny after some early morning clouds. 86 on Friday, Saturday, and 87 Sunday. Saturday and Sunday just have a little bit more of those low clouds before the sun comes out. Humidity, by the way, helping to usher in some of the morning low clouds with a very subtle increase in humidity as we go through the next 5 days or so. You won't notice it a whole lot, but you may notice it just a little bit. Here's a look at our first warning weather 7-day forecast. So you can see once we get beyond the weekend, then those rain chances pick up slightly Monday, Tuesday, and then more so on Wednesday. The extended rainfall outlook still leaning quite heavily toward being wetter than normal, November 20th through the 26th, warmer than normal during that same period too. Hey, don't forget, as we approach Thanksgiving, KXAN.com/Friendsgiving to donate to our Friendsgiving Challenge benefiting the Central Texas Food Bank. It's mornings versus evenings. The mornings have won 4 of the last 5 years. We need your help this year. KXAN.com/Friendsgiving or that QR code.